If you want to set up Apple Pay on iPhone 17, all you have to do is go to the Wallet app. You should be able to find the app either in the home screen or definitely in the app drawer. Once you open the app, tap on plus at the top over here, and then you can choose what kind of card you want to add to your Wallet app. So we're gonna use debit or credit card in our case, and let's press continue. After that, you will need to scan the details of your payment card, but you can also enter details manually if you don't want to use the camera to scan these details. Now after that, you will need to choose the name. You will need to write the name and the card number, and then you want to press continue and fill the rest in. And after that, you just have to keep following these instructions that you will see on the screen. And once you add the debit or credit card or anything else that you have decided to add, you should be able to use it with your iPhone 17. Once you add your credit or debit card, and once you want to pay with your iPhone, even if the iPhone is locked, you will have to double click the side button and then authenticate yourself with Face ID, for example, and then you should be able to, put the iPhone on the card reader. And once you do that, you will see your main default card, and if you add multiple credit or debit cards, you should be able to also switch them at the bottom before you hold your iPhone 17 near the reader. You can also go to settings and find the wallet and Apple Pay over here in order to change your default card. So in this case, once we go to the settings, as you can see, we have Apple Pay default. So over here, you should be able to choose which card should be used by default, but only, of course, if you have multiple cards added into your iPhone 17. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.